Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. This week I'm going to be making a sketch pencil from a piece of Sapelle. Stick around, we'll get started. So the first thing I did off camera was cut the blank to length, drill a hole through it, and glue in the brass tube that comes with the kit. I did it off camera. You guys have seen me do that before, and there's better videos out there by people who do pen turning videos. So I figured I'd just go ahead and jump to this point for you. I'm going to turn it down to round. Luckily, I spent a lot of time trying to find a kit where you didn't have to cut a recess with a clip, and the bushings were the same size, and it was very simple to put together. I don't like fussy pen kits, so I try to find ones that are very straightforward, hopefully straight. You know, the bushings are the same size. No recesses, no tenons, nothing like that. So let me go ahead and grab my carbide tool, and I'll get it turned down to round. Okay, let me get set up, and I will bring you back for putting on the finish. It's kind of interesting the way the air blew out all these tiny little holes. I like to do that on Sapelle, mahogany, etc. It adds a lot of depth to it if you get the sawdust out of those tiny little crevices. Back in a minute. All right. Start to get some finish on this. All right, let me get this off this mandrel and we'll go over to the bench and assemble it. Okay, so I'm going to get the body ready for assembly. One of the things I like to do is take a razor blade and trim any excess CA that might have gotten onto the bushings and over the edge. So first I'll trim it with a razor blade. And I'll take and sand each end against a piece of sandpaper. I found what this prevents is having the finish lift up if the components push against it as it's being pressed together. Speaking of which, I'll go ahead and press in one side of the components and the other side. That is that. Have a nice pencil. And the cap functions as a sharpener, so it extend the lead out and I'll show you how that works. Oop. Not that far. There's a sharpener up in the cap of the lid, or the cap. That sharpens the point. And then you just retract the lid a bit. There you go. If you made it this far, thanks for sticking with me. Please be sure to hit subscribe if it's your first time here. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Give me a thumbs up, comment. I'll see you next time. Take care.